Lightning Sword here. Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be starting a new series of survival called Lightning Survival. And if you guys don't like the name, please tell me a name I should put for it, because I don't really know. So yeah, I just put maybe I should I should put it at large. And I put the C as just a bunch of numbers. And I have a bonus chest, and yeah. Also, this is not going to be an online game. I'm not signed in, even though I'm in my Skirt Stick account. I'm not signed in. So yeah, let's go make the world. We're just analyzing server until I can't read right now. Okay, so music by C418. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, comment down what you want me to do next, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on notifications. So yeah. So it's kind of like, it's taking so long for some reason. Okay, and we are in. Oh. This is a nice place. Ow. This is a really nice place. Where's my bonus chest? Oh no, I shouldn't have put it at large. Can't find my bonus chest. Oh no. I can't but I found a village though. Nice. Maybe I'll just find a blacksmith over there. So yeah. This is a brand new world right here, and hopefully we don't die, because we already found 3 white sheep and some flowers to dye our bed. And this is not a really big village. Nope. Well, let's just go get some wheat. Okay. Oh, there's also potatoes. Nice. And if you guys hear noises in the background, I'm actually recording in the living room, which is connected to my kitchen, so please don't mind that. But yeah. Now, all we need to do is, let's see. Yeah, kill these sheep. Let me go get some wood. There. But still, I am concerned where my bonus chest is. What? Oh. Thought that was oh my god. But yeah, let's go and punch this tree with a poppy. And I've heard some duplication glitches on how to duplicate wood, but yeah, I heard it from my friend's friend. They told me how to duplicate wood and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go try that out. So we do need a crafting table. And we need. I think that wolf just killed all the sheep. Okay. Yeah, I think the wolf just ate all the sheep. Oh, they did. But now I am lost. Wow. Gray sheep. Okay, but here's how to duplicate wood. I think it's oops. But yeah, you just put wood there. Okay, place the crafting table, hold the wood in your hand, and press L2 and O at the same time. So, boop. And it works. It still works. That's right, Mojang. You can't defeat me. Up. I guess it only works with one piece of thing. Yeah, it only works with one piece of wood. So we're gonna do this, I guess. I guess it doesn't work. Oh well. Okay, let's go make some sticks. Make a pickaxe. sword and an axe. Alright. Because we already got some food because we found a village. Oh my god. Die, cow. Alright. Kill the cow. I feel so sad for him. Alright, so, yeah, we're... Ow! That hurts. For my character. But yeah, I think the wolf ate all the sheep. Like, because what happened to my 3? Oh my god. Over there. Yeah, I'm gonna color it red. I'm gonna color my bed red because yellow, I don't like yellow. Good thing there was some roses. But yeah, now I can make a bed. Wow, already quick. This is a really good seed. And yet I just spam buttons. I just spam numbers. I went to numbers and started spamming X. But yeah, this is a really good seed. And I put the biome size to large. So well, I think we should make bread. Is there a crafting table here? No, because there's only a church and a modern house with 1 villager. Are you serious right now? What kind of traits does he have? 18. I think I can do that. Yeah, I can definitely do that. I want an emerald. Plus, I can get the achievement. Oh, dang it. If only they had, like carrots, I could just make a lot of pigs. And, yeah. I'm gonna go make some bread, because I can only make 1 for now. Yeah, only 1. Alright! And I guess we could just eat this raw beef. Alright, and I finished the beef. Alright, okay, that's fine. But yeah, let's go kill some more sheepies. Yeah! Alright, and now I'll kill this pig because I'm saving 18 for the villager. Alright, pigs! Pigs! Pig! Okay, I got 7. Are you serious? Oh, there's a brown sheep over there. Boom. 9. Are you? Come on. Ooh. Nice parkouring skills, boy. And there's a donkey and 2 more. And oh my god, it's overrunning with sheeps. Maybe I should color one red. Color one yellow. I'm gonna color each one. 13, nice. I think we should get. Let's not worry about like trading with the villager. Let's actually like get a furnace. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right. So let's go to. I'm gonna go make the volume a little bit higher for you guys. So you guys can actually hear. Okay, I got a seed. I already have 5. More wood. That yeah, the duplication glitch on the wood is cool. And it only works with 1 piece of wood though. That kind of sucks. But yeah. Okay. Maybe I can. Oh, I only got 7? No. Maybe I can build a house right next to this village because we already have a farm. But too bad we don't have any carrots. Oh, but we found coal. Nice. Let's just make a furnace right now, and I could put it over here and mine this coal. Let me go make a stone pickaxe first. Like that. No way. Okay, let's make a stone pickaxe. Stony pickaxe. Okay. Ooh, this is a lot of coal. If I find a cave right under it, I'll explore that right after I make my house and when I get some more food. And yeah. Let me go make the gamma a little bit more higher. Guys can see. Yeah. Because I'm just okay, let me go fix the camera a bit right here. Right. So the camera I'm adjusting the camera right there. Alright, you're good. Okay, so okay, hopefully you guys can see because okay, I'm looking at the camera and you guys should hopefully see. Cause alright, so right. You put this there and put that over there. And yeah, let's see now. Remember, if you guys hear the noise in the background, I am recording in the living room because that's the only place where my PS3 is. So hopefully you guys don't mind that because Alright. Ow. Yeah. Those hearts over there. Can we like the hearts that were lost? Can we hit that many likes? I'll just make that 3 likes. Yeah, can we hit 3 likes? Then we can continue this. 3 likes and we can continue this. Yay! Okay, I'm just kidding with you guys. Yeah. Guys, so I'm sorry if it stopped recording because my storage was full, but yeah, it's about to run out now, so yeah, this will be the ending of the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment. So see you guys next time. Bye. Make sure you hit 10 likes or 3.5 so we can continue this series.